We're going to go through how to navigate the FlexiSchedule program so that you can sign up for your flex time and you'll know where you're going during that time of the day. So the first thing I'm going to need you to do is get out your computer and you're going to log into svhs.flexischedule.net. Now, if you just Google FlexiSchedule, it's going to take you to any number of sites. So you want to make sure that you log in with the correct web address. It has to start with SVHS. Once you get into this site, I would recommend that you bookmark the site because you will be going to this every week. Now, as I go through this video, if there's a point where you need to stop the video so that you can get caught up, maybe you don't have your computer out or whatever, feel free to do that, and then we can move forward when you're ready. So once you're on the right web address and website, you're going to sign in with Google. Now, if you try to just type in your email address and password, it's not going to work. So you want to make sure that you sign in with Google. And it will take you to this screen where you will choose the account that you want to sign in with. Now, once you get into this site, it's going to have your schedule for the week. And this is where you can go in and you can sign up for the flexes that you want to attend. If you have been requested, you'll notice that that's on there already. So if you can see on Tuesday, the student has been requested to come to me to work on missing assignments. And the red check mark means that this is something that you can't change. You can't go in and change it to a different flex. If you have an issue with this, you need to see the teacher whose name is on the flex, and you can discuss with them whether or not you need to be in their flex or not. Now, to know what flex you might want to go into, you'll have to come down into the full schedule. Now, you'll notice that all of these have not been filled out because we're not quite to that point yet. But if you go, usually they will be colored like this so that you'll be able to see what those teachers are offering. So under T. Hansen, you'll see that this teacher has different things each day. The restrictions will tell you if it is restricted to a certain group or a certain class. So for example, on Friday, this person doesn't have a restriction, but she might restrict it to just people in this psychology class. You'll also see that there's a number, and that means that's the number of people that are allowed in that group. And so this one has nobody in it right now. There are 25 that can be in there. And so once you hit 25, that person is not going to show up anymore when you go to register yourself. I also want to show you over far to the right on Wednesday where this says unavailable. This means that this teacher is not going to be in the building at this time, or they're going to be with another teacher, and so you cannot go to their room at that time. So let's go up and say you're ready to start registering yourself for flexes. You're going to go to the student schedule, and you're going to go to this pencil button on the far right. Then if you hover over it, it says edit schedule. So you click on that, and this is going to give you a screen so that you will be able to see what options there are and you'll be able to sign up. Now, if you scroll down, you can see which groups you might be in or what your attendance has been as well. So we're going to go up to Thursday, and we're going to look at the flexes, and this person wants to go to T. Hansen to math help. So we're just going to start clicking on this. Now on Friday, this person saw there was help with psychology class. Unfortunately, when they go to click on this, they see that there is no option for that. So that means that that particular group is full. Now, if you still feel you need to get into this class, you can go talk to the teacher and they can make adjustments and put you in. But in this case, the student's just going to choose a different person. And again, you can just go through. Now you'll notice on Tuesday, this is where there was a teacher request, And so this person does not have a choice here. They have to go to this flex. And you can sign up for all of the teachers that you want. When you're finished, you will select Save at the bottom. And when it takes you back, you're going to see that all of these classes or all of these flexes have been put into your schedule. If you'd like a copy, you can have this emailed to you. And you can go and change this anytime up until the flex time comes. So if you're filling this out on Thursday and you get to the next week on Monday and you change your mind and decide that you don't want to go to Crochet Club, that's not really as interesting to you as you thought it was going to be, you would rather go somewhere else, you'll come back to the screen. You'll go into Edit, and you can change that to whichever flex you would prefer. When you're finished, you can just cancel out of the screen, or you can log out. Either one, it's up to you. And you can go here and you can check at any time which flexes you are scheduled to be in. We recommend that you check this maybe every day, maybe first thing in the morning, just to see if things have changed, just to make sure that nobody has gone in, no teachers have gone in and requested you at that time. If you have any questions about Flex, you can see Miss Ferry, and she can help you through these steps, and your teachers will know how to help you with this as well.